to my channel. So first of all, sorry for the quality of this video, but I really have no time to set up all the camera, all the lighting, so I'm just using my phone right now, so really sorry about that. And as you probably see from the title of this video today, I'm going to try to recreate my best friend Instagram feed. I just pay four picture, but yeah, I will probably put every time that I recreate one picture, the picture in the corner, so you guys can compare them. And that's it. There is nothing special to say on this video. What the heck? Oh yeah, it was really quite easy for me to recreate it because we're quite similar, and also I just grabbed the outfit that she used, so it was really easy. But if you guys want me to recreate another Instagram feed of another person, like a famous person, just let me know in the comment down below, because I will probably think that it's gonna be more challenges for me. So just let me know in the comment down below, and that's it. Yeah, that's it. Let's move into the video now. Poof. Hey guys, I hope you can hear me. Anyway, we are here in Duomo, and we tried to like take the first picture. I'm probably gonna put the picture here, something like that, just to cover the people and nothing. We're gonna try and let's see. I got the sunglasses. It's the only pair of glasses that I got, so I know that they're not same. And also I got the jumper from her, so I just gotta grab it and that's it. I hope I'm better.
Non fa niente. Vai. Un po'
così.
Sì. È un po' rovinato.
Sembra fatta apposta. Dimmi cosa devo fare. Tipo così.
Dall'altra mano. Questo dritto. Aspetta. Di qua.
Hey guys, so I'm here in my best friend's house, and she's cooking right now, as you can see. And I'm trying to recreate the second picture. I will probably gonna put the picture here. And we have no noodles, so we're gonna like try with the pasta. But I'm gonna eat the pasta with the chopstick, right? And nothing. Let's see how it's going. And cool. Let's see.
Questa.
I capelli come sono? Così un po' le tette si vedono. Questo copre molto. Così.
Ok, aspetta. Adesso stiamo cercando di ricreare questo.
Sì, ma non devi farlo in verticale.
Oh no. Adesso stiamo cercando di fare questo. The same outfit.
Same one. Is the end of this video. If you like it, please leave a thumbs up, comment down below any suggestion that you guys have, or any comment that you want to leave, basically. What else? Share this video with your friend if you want, but yeah, just if you want, just if you want. And what else? See you in the next video, guys.